Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today in this video, I bring some beautiful collection of ikebana Japanese floral arrangements to create these unique and trending ideas into a more decoratively arranged way. You can create these sort of trendy and unique ideas to make your decorative arrangements more unique and beautifully designed to make your home decorative arrangement and your different outdoor decorations more beautiful. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and enjoy creating them. In this video, I bring some beautiful collection of ikebana Japanese floral arrangements. These ideas match with some fresh flower arrangements regarding some Chinese sort of arrangements or some uniquely designed ideas that people will love to create for their home decorations, to decorate their living rooms, bedrooms, and different restaurants can use these sort of unique and trendy theme decoration ideas to make their places more pleasant and beautiful. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas to make your decorative arrangements for some fresh flower ideas more creative and uniquely designed by using some unique flowers like roses. Mostly people will love to create ideas with roses, but orchids and lilies are some lesser ideas that most people like these sort of ideas that they want to create different and unique concepts to make their home decorations more trendy. You can also use different vases decorations to create your fresh flower decorative arrangements more trendy or classy. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any requests, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it, and if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and it also encourages me to bring some latest and creative ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me. Thank you.